Topic is cubes and cube roots. Exercise 1.2. First main is find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. The given first one is 64. 64 can divide in second table. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again in second table, 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Again in second table, 8 2s are 16. Again second table, 4 2s are 8. Again second table, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2. So this 64 cube root of 64 can write now cube root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 3 4 5 6 times of 2 can write inside the cube root. So the cube root means same number 3 times should be appear. So here we have 3 times of 2. So only 1 2 we can take out of this cube root. So only 1 2 I am taking. In this one more 3 times 2 is there, 1 2 3. So one more set of 2 can take out of cube root box, but inside no number now, so we can leave like that. So here 2 2s are 4. Therefore cube root of 64 is 4. This is the answer. In question, cube root of 512. Second table, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, here 1, 6 2s are 12. Again in second table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 8 2s are 16. Again in second table, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Again in second table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again second table, 1 2s are 2, carry 1, 6 2s are. Again 8 2s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times. 9 times of 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So till this we have to put the line. Now here cube root is there, that's why 3 3 number we have to take outside. Suppose square root is there means this 2 we cannot write here, so that is also square root. Square root means 2 times same number should be appear, but here cube root. So here 3 means 1 time can write, this is also 3 times is there, 1 time, this is also 3 times is there, so 1 time. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So cube root of 512 is 8 is answered. Question 10,648 they given. So here which number is ending with even number? So it can go by second table. So we have to take in this side every prime number. Prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like this prime numbers only we have to take it this side. So here second table it will go. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again this is even number, so we'll go in second table. Again 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 6 2s are 12, again 1, 6 2s are 12, this is 2 2s are 4. Again this can go in second table, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, again 1 2s are. Now this odd number, but it will go in 11th table. 1 11s are 11, carry 2 remaining, so 2 times 2 11s are 22, remaining 1 here, 1 time 11 will go. Again this 11 into 11 121. So here this can write cube root of this number. Always we should write small number. In this hook only we should write, outside and all we should not write, only in this place we should write, this place. Then 2 is 3 times, 11 is 3 times. Again 2 is there in 3 times. So only 1 2 can write. Here 11 is there in 3 times. So 11 can write. 2 into 11 is 22. So therefore cube root of 10,648 is equal to 22 is our answer. Same like this you can do the sums. Now we will go for second main. State true or false. First one is cube of any odd number is even. It is false because here also it is even number. Even number will get even number. Odd number will get odd number. So odd cube is, suppose 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is also odd, this is also odd. So any odd number if you take 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this is also odd, this is also odd. So odd number cube will get odd number, not in even number. So the given the statement is cube of any odd is even. It is false. Second question, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Yes, it is true because cube means we have to multiply 3 times. So 1 2 3, 3 zeros we should write. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. So it will not end with 2 zeros, it will end with 3 zeros because 3 times we are going to multiply. Suppose square is there, 10 square means 2 times, 10 into 10, 100. Because 2 times we are multiplying, 2 zeros only we can write. But here 3 times we are multiplying, so 3 zeros will come. So it is true because does not end with 2 zeros, does not end. So it will not end with 2 zeros, it will end with 3 zeros. So it is true. Third main is, if square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. No, for every 5 will not get 25. Suppose for example, third one is false because 5 cube means 125. Now only I show. Right? 5 square is 5 5s are 25. 15 square, 15 into 15, 225. 25 square, 625. 35 square, 1225. This everything ending with 25. But cube of this everything will not end with 25. In this 5 cube is ending with 25 and 25 cube is ending with 25. But 15 cube is 75 is ending and 35 also is ending with 75. So it is false. Fourth question is, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. It is false because which ends with 2 cube, 12 cube, 22 cube, like that numbers only end with 8. Remaining all number will end with other number. Suppose when we take 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is also a perfect cube only. So when we get like this, the statement is false. Suppose 4 cube you take, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this number also is a perfect cube. So all number will not end with 8, means the statement is false because when it's 2, 12, 22, 32 cube, like this numbers only will end with 8. Other numbers will end with some other number. Suppose even number will come even, odd number will get odd number as cube numbers. 3 sum, try as homework. Third main is, you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4,913, 12,167, 32,768. We know that 10 cube is 1000 because 0 is there 3 times means 1, 2, 3 times 0 we have to write, and 1 into 1 into 1, 1 will get. Same like that 11 cube also is 1331. This is they asked which cube. Then same like this in unit place what we have like that only see here. 0 cube means 0 will get 3 times. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, 1 will get. Same like that we can guess this digits, that is unit digit what we will get. So that cube root of 11 after 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, 1 again 11 cube. So 11 into 11 into 11 is 1331. Same first question we can guess like this. Here they given 4913. In this place we have unit place 3. So we should guess now which number when we multiply 3 times will get this 3. So here 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube like that we have to write. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. Like that we have to guess. Now here 7 cube is 343 we are getting. So 3 it is there in the unit place. So we can write 7 cube. After 7 when it will come in 1 to 3 place. After 7 again this is 17 only. Now next number will get in unit place 7. So here we can identify 17 cube what we get. So 17 into 17 into 17 3 times we should multiply and check. This is only for guess. So here we got 4913. The same number only they given here. So 7 first we should multiply and 17. Suppose this number is not there here question, again 27 cube we should find. Again 37 cube, 47 cube like that. Because 7 it is there here, so we'll get here 3. That is confirm we know. So that only we have to try next 7 when it will come. So here in this particular sum 17 only we got the answer. So cube root of this number is 17. So next number they given 12,167. So we can write now this 7 we have in unit place 7. 7 means when we get 7 which number we multiply 3 times we will get 7. 1 cube will get 1, 2 cube will get 8, 3 cube means 27. So in unit place we are getting 7 when we multiply 3 times. Same like that. Next 3 when it will come 13 cube. 13 cube is 2197. This is also not our question. Again 23 cube. Again 33 cube like that we should multiply and check. So here 23 cube means 23 into 23 into 23. 3 times when we multiply we will get here 12,167. So cube root of 12,167 is 23. We got here only answer. Next question is 32,768. Now we have here 8. So which number we have to take? 8 means like 2 cube we should try here. So here 2 cube is 8. So first digit we got the idea. Next 12 cube. Next we should write 12 cube, then 22 cube, then 32 cube, 42 cube, like that you have to try till you get this answer. You must try. This is your homework.